Good morning to all of you.
Morning, ma'am.
Good morning, beta. Good morning to all of you.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning,
Good
beta.
morning, ma'am.
How cold it is today?
Yes, ma'am.
How cold? Is
Ma'am,
it
it's
very
too
cold or is
cold.
it just normal?
Ma'am, it is very cold. And
Normal.
outside the sun has been calmed. But ma'am, in summers, what the heat comes from the sun, now it's not coming.
Okay. The sun came, but it is not giving any heat. The sun has forgotten to play its role.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, what we will
Ma'am,
do
in
today?
summers, the sun don't forgot to play his role, but in winters he forgot.
Yes. In
Good
winters it
morning, ma'am.
forgets. Good morning, beta. Good morning. Good morning. Okay, so today, now, obviously, we have to study social studies. Yes, this is the fourth period going
Yes,
on,
ma'am.
right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so
Yes, ma'am.
till where have we done? We were, I think, on soil pollution, right?
No,
No,
ma'am.
ma'am,
We have to,
noise.
Noise,
ma'am,
yes,
we
we were
have to
on noise
start
pollution.
with effect of noise pollution. Ma'am,
Yes,
effect
yes.
No,
of
ma'am, not effect. Ma'am, we will
yes,
start noise pollution.
but ma'am, I have read it.
Ma'am, I have read chapter 19 and 20 also already.
Okay,
Ma'am, yesterday at evening.
so what is noise pollution? Tell me. Who will tell what is noise pollution?
Noise
Yes, Devyanshu, tell.
Ma'am, noise pollution is that, ma'am, source of noise. Ma'am, like when we are out of home, there are, ma'am, bikes and ma'am cars that blow horn. Ma'am, it also causes not noise pollution. Ma'am, when we are going somewhere, the construction is going on. It is also causes noise pollution. And ma'am, when ma'am aeroplane take off, is it also cause noise pollution.
Okay, so you have given the examples of noise pollution is created or is made by what all things. But you have not told what is noise pollution. Can anybody tell what is noise pollution? You are giving me examples and these examples are all correct. But
Ma'am, can
tell
I
me what is
tell?
noise pollution? I still don't understand what noise pollution is. Tell me, who will tell? Okay,
Ma'am,
Divyanshu, tell.
ma'am, can I
Okay,
ask?
Garv tell. Garv will tell.
Blowing horns unnecessarily is one of the most common cause of noise
Okay,
pollution.
You are also again telling the cause of noise pollution.
Ma'am, noise pollution is something which gives discomfort to our ear.
Yes. Any sound or any noise that gives discomfort to our ears is called noise pollution. Okay? Any sound that gives discomfort. So many times we are so much discomforted by the loud sounds around us, not only outside our houses, but maybe in the house also. Sometimes you switch on the TV and the volume is very exceptionally high. So doesn't it give discomfort to your ears? Doesn't it give discomfort to your parents' ears? They are suddenly
Yes.
like, please look at the volume of the TV. Don't they scold you? I scold my children for doing it at times because that that is something that gives discomfort to my ears. So anything that is discomforting for our ears or for anybody's ears is noise pollution. Now these are the different causes of noise pollution. We go outside the house, somebody suddenly blows horn. We are standing on the road and somebody suddenly blows a horn. So what happens? Suddenly we get scared, or the horn is completely, it goes into our ears, so that gives us discomfort. Aeroplanes while taking off make a lot of sound. Train sirens, we are at the station standing on the platform and the siren of the train is so loud that We suddenly have to
Yes, ma'am.
close our ears.
Loudspeakers.
Yes, the loudspeakers.
Ma'am, household gadgets.
The household gadgets also sometimes make a lot of noise.
Yes, ma'am. If we have fallen something.
No, falling off something, breaking off something is another thing. But gadgets, what kind of gadgets? Suppose your mother is operating a mixer grinder in the kitchen.
Yeah.
So
Yes.
it sometimes it makes a lot of sound. So that can be
Yes.
considered as an example of noise pollution. Then after that we have effects of noise pollution. Now what are the effects? If we keep listening to the high volume, this high sound, what will happen? What effect will it have on our ears? Let's read out that. Anushka Sharma will read it out.
Effects of noise pollution. Unwanted noise causes irritations, sleep disturbance, and a loss of hearing.
Hearing,
It's
loss of
also
hearing.
lots of hearing. It also describes our daily lives by spoiling the quality of our environment. Loud noise such as bursting, crackers, screech, animals and birds. Too much noise may lead to screech and ma'am, what is it in this?
Anxiety,
Anxiety. Ma'am, what is it?
headache,
Headaches and high
blood
pressure.
pressure. Okay, wait, beta. Now, unwanted noise. Unwanted noise creates what? It creates irritation. It causes irritation. Don't we get irritated? Yes. It also causes sleep disturbance. We are not able to sleep in a very loud sound around us. And it also causes loss of hearing. Sometimes the sounds around you,
hearing?
sometimes the sounds around you are so loud that you lose the power of hearing. You are unable to hear. So that is loss of hearing when you are not able to hear anything. Okay, this all happens. You can even have loss of hearing if you live in noise pollution. Then it also disrupts our daily lives. What do you mean by disrupts? Means it disturbs. It also disturbs our daily lives by spoiling the quality of our environment. Okay, it spoils the quality of our environment. Loud noise such as bursting crackers scares animals and birds. These birds and animals are scared of, they get afraid with these bursting of crackers. So not only on human life, but on animal life also, loud sounds have a very bad effect. Too much noise may lead to stress, anxiety, headache, and high blood pressure. So you have to underline these lines. This is very important. For human beings, it can lead to stress, anxiety, high blood pressure, and headache. Okay. Then, next, noise prevention and control.
Ma'am, this can I read?
Vedant is going to read this.
Blowing horns unnecessarily is one of the most common causes of noise pollution. It should be regulated by government. The use of loudspeakers and loud music should be controlled. Do not put on loud music to disturb the neighborhood. Schools, colleges, and hospitals should be silent zones. Planting trees in industrial areas can absorb the loud noise.
All right. How can the loud noise be controlled in industrial areas? Now I can put up this question. How can the loud noise in industrial areas be controlled? Tell me. Read out the last line of the chapter.
plant.
Yes. How can we control?
Areas can absorb the loud noise.
Ma'am, we have to plant, ma'am, trees, planting trees.
Planting trees in industrial
Yes.
areas can absorb the loud noise.
Okay, we can control the loud noise in the industrial areas by planting trees.
Ma'am, planting more trees.
So if we'll have more and more trees in the industrial areas, the sound, the noise will be absorbed by the trees. Then
Yes, ma'am.
we should not put loud music at all in our houses. Why? It will disturb the neighborhood. And schools, colleges, and hospitals should be silent zones. Then also unnecessarily blowing horns. It should be controlled. We should not unnecessarily blow horns.
Yes, ma'am.
And the use of loudspeakers and loud music should also be controlled. This way we can put a little control on noise created
Noise
around
pollution.
us. Yes. Now who will read in a nutshell?
Ma'am,
Garv is going to read.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am,
Everybody put your cameras on. Garv, we can't hear you.
pollution is, there are four kinds of noise. Pollution is anything
Ma'am, we
that
first one.
makes
It's anything that makes the environment dirty.
there are four kinds of pollution: air, water, soil, and noise. Air and water pollution cause diseases and loss of aquatic life.
Aquatic life. Aquatic lives. Sorry, aquatic lives.
Okay. Soil pollution across when we do not dispose waste properly. Noise pollution is caused when the sound produced is not comfortable to the ears. We should prevent pollution of the earth.
Okay. Anybody else also wants to read the nutshell?
ma'am,
Anushka, you already got your turn. Okay, Divyanshu Dev, you read.
Okay, ma'am. In a nutshell, pollution is anything that makes the environment dirty. There are four kinds of pollution: air pollution, water pollution, soil pollution, and noise pollution. Air and water pollution cause disease and loss of aquatic life. Soil pollution uh, uh,
Soil pollution
occurs
occurs.
when we do not dispose waste properly. Noise pollution is caused when the sound product is not produced is not comfortable to the ears. We should prevent pollution of the earth.
All right. So with this, we come to the end of this chapter. Now, I'm giving you 5 to 7 minutes. What you have to do is you have to try these exercises on your own. Okay? I hope you all will be able to do it, and no problem if you miss anything, then we are going to discuss it later. But first, just try to look out for answers yourself. Okay?
Okay.
Because this is a very easy chapter. based on general things. That is why I'm telling you to do it yourself. Your time starts now. And those who have done, please sit quietly in the class. Don't disturb the class by saying, I have done, I have done.
Ma'am, I have already done exercises.
Then what should we do, Vivek? I told you not to disturb by saying I have done. Sit quietly. Let others do. There are many children who have not done it.
Ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am, we are doing exercises.
Yes, you have to do these exercises on your own. And
Ma'am,
if
but I have already done.
and in case you get stuck, children, those who have not done, in case you get stuck anywhere, please ask me in between. Okay, if you have doubt in any answer, ask it. Done? Or anybody still doing?
I'm done.
Okay, is there anybody still doing it? Children, no response. Huh? Mohammad, Imad, Mehul, Pratyusha, Pratishtha, Akshat, Divyank, Ridyansh, Anjali.
Ma'am, I
Yes.
am doing.
Yes, Riyansh,
Ma'am,
you should have told it earlier. No? When I'm asking the question, I want your answers to be coming promptly. You should be spontaneous in giving answers.
Ma'am, I have done.
Good, do it. And all of you, please open your cameras. Imad, Pratishtha, Pratyusha, Akshat, Om, everyone. Ridyansh. Ridyansh, you have stopped opening your cameras now. Huh? From such a long time, I'm observing this thing from you. Yes. Yes. Anybody wants to ask anything?
Ma'am, Akshat.
Yes, beta, say Akshat.
Ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am, on page number 130.
Yes.
Ma'am, please wait.
Beta,
Ma'am, please
one,
wait. Ma'am,
who started asking first? Tell me. Was it Pratishtha or was it the other one? Then who was the other one speaking in between?
Ma'am, that was my brother answering the question of his class.
Okay, I thought that is somebody else from the class. Okay, Pratishtha, ask.
Ma'am, on page number 30, if we see effects of noise pollution, ma'am, the second last line, that is too much noise may lead to stress and anxiety, headache, and high blood pressure. So, ma'am, what is the meaning of anxiety?
Anxiety. Anxiety, beta, it is a form of, see, you've heard of depression.
Yes, ma'am.
People going into depression.
Yes, ma'am.
These are what? These are the disorders. These are, you can say, illnesses, diseases caused in our mental state. So anxiety is the beginning of depression.
Okay, ma'am.
A very minor form of depression is called anxiety.
Ma'am, after this chapter, there is one more chapter and then our book will be finished.
Yes, and then you know what we are going to do?
Ma'am, revision.
Ma'am, assignments.
No, then we are going to do some interesting activities. Then we are going to lay our focus on reading. Then we are going to do, we are going to lay our focus on dictation words.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am,
Okay.
that will be a really a lot
Yes,
of fun.
yes. It is going to be very interesting and also very helpful. These classes,
ma'am.
the classes will be very meaningful. Yes.
Ma'am, there will be UT3 also.
Yes, there will be UT3 also.
Ma'am, after UT3, then
We'll have finals. Then we'll have finals in the end.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, ma'am, when we start the fill in the blanks,
Okay, children, done? All of you have done?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
And we
Yes,
duty 3 will start.
Better that you'll come to know. Most probably in January. Okay, mid of Jan or January beginning. We'll see. Okay, shall we start with the first one? Fill in the blank. Om Agarwal, read out the first one. Everybody open your cameras. Anjali, Samar, Pratyusha, Pratishtha, Imad.
okay.
Ma'am, can I?
Where is Om? Om has left. Okay, Mehul. Mehul, are you there?
Yes, ma'am.
Read out the first one, beta.
Ma'am, sorry, I was disconnected.
No problem.
Ma'am, can I tell?
Where is Mehul?
Ma'am, what first one?
Beta Mehul, what are we doing? Tell me.
Ma'am, can I tell?
No, wait, I'm talking to Mehul first. Mehul, what are we doing in the class? Beta, if you don't know, say, ma'am, I don't know. Don't be quiet.
Okay, ma'am.
You don't know what we are doing?
Yes, ma'am.
Huh?
Yes, ma'am. My mother's have taken the phone.
Were you there when we finished the reading of this chapter? Were you in the class or you joined late?
Ma'am, I joined late.
We are doing the exercises of chapter number 19. Now, please be attentive and do all the exercises.
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am,
Pratish,
not 19,
Can I
ma'am.
tell the first answer?
18. Sorry, chapter number 18.
Ma'am, I tell.
Beta, it's 19. What is wrong, Pratishtha?
Yes,
The chapter
ma'am.
number is 19 only. Pollution and its impact.
Yes. Ma'am, can I tell fill in the blanks first question answer?
Okay, Garv, tell.
Ma'am, air pollution.
Read out the whole sentence.
Smoke causes air pollution.
Very good. Smoke causes dash. What does smoke cause?
Ma'am, air pollution.
Ma'am,
Air
air
pollution.
pollution.
Air pollution. Very good. Everybody write down. Those who have not written Mehul, just write it down. Okay. Ridyansh Saxena is there in the class? Ridyansh Saxena? Yes, ma'am. Beta, why don't you speak? Your mic is not working.
Ma'am, his video is not working.
Huh? His video is not on. His audio. Ridyansh, what is the issue? Beta, please type in the chat box and let me know.
Ma'am, his video is not opening.
That's okay. Video is not opening. But what about the audio? What about your audio? Yes, ma'am. Okay, Ridyansh. Then next, Akshat Sahu. Akshat Sahu, read out the second fill in the blank. Akshat, are you there? Children, if you behave like this, I'm surely going to call up at your places and talk to your parents about this kind of your
Ma'am?
attitude.
Ma'am, he has joined the meeting, but he has not replied, and his camera and audio is also off.
No, right now, a minute back, his video was on. That is why I took his name. Akshat Sahu, I'm going to make a call at your place today, beta. Divyank Premi, are you there in the class? Divyank Premi. I'm actually noting down your names, children. Akshat, what's wrong, beta? Why are you not reading the second line? The second fill in the blank?
Ma'am, the page number.
See, from such a long time you're sitting in the class. Beta, if you don't know, in the beginning only when you join it, when you join the meeting, you should ask ma'am what we are doing. Okay? Either
Ma'am, I'm going
you can ask.
washroom.
Okay, so when you went to the washroom, what we were doing before that? When you were present in the class, what did I tell you to do? What were we doing today, Akshat, from the beginning of this period? Tell me. Now the class is going to get over in 8 minutes.
Ma'am.
Yes. What are we doing from last 32 minutes? Tell me. Children, better start paying attention in what is happening in the class. And if you don't know what is happening, start asking ma'am what is being done. Don't waste the whole period like that. You are wasting nothing. You're just wasting the data, the mobile data. That's it. Doing nothing. Start behaving properly and being attentive in my class, in every class rather, not only in my class.
Ma'am, can I read second?
Vivek, read out the second fill in the blank.
Petroleum is a
Ma'am.
Petroleum is a dash. What is petroleum, children?
Ma'am, foliage fuel.
Ma'am, can I tell?
ma'am, the place where cars and
Ma'am, it is the oil.
cars, bikes and scooters fill their petrol or petrol.
I'm not asking what is a petrol pump. Petrol pump is a place where we get the fuels filled of our vehicles. The question is, petroleum is a, yes, Devyanshu.
Ma'am, foliage fuel.
Petroleum is a, okay, Ridyansh, what is your answer?
Ma'am.
Ma'am, it is the oil.
Okay, Anjali, what is your answer?
Ma'am, fossil fuel.
Yes, the correct answer is petroleum is a fossil fuel. Everybody write down this answer. Petroleum is a fossil fuel.
Ma'am, I already
Then the third one. Riyansh, read out the third fill in the blank.
Drinking polluted water can cause dash.
Ma'am, can I tell?
Ma'am, can I tell?
Yes,
Ma'am, I
Riyansh,
can tell.
only have to tell.
Ma'am, water-borne diseases.
Very nice. Drinking contaminated water can cause waterborne diseases.
But ma'am, I have written, ma'am, different.
What have you written, beta?
Infection.
Infection, okay. Infection, that is also correct. But write waterborne diseases. One of you type in the chat box for everyone the spellings of waterborne diseases. Anjali, will you type?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, type it. Then next turn. Pratyusha Singh, it's your turn next. Be prepared.
Ma'am, bonus.
Waterborne diseases. Yes, very good. Vivek, it is not water-bound diseases. Children, please don't go on Vivek's answer. Anjali has typed the correct spellings. Vedant, wrong answer, beta. Don't type it when you're not asked to. Don't confuse other children of the class. The next one. Noise pollution can lead to dash problems.
I'm hearing.
Very nice.
Ma'am, hearing.
Noise pollution can lead to hearing problems.
Ma'am, hearing problems.
Good.
Ma'am, next one can I read?
Okay, Pratishtha, read out the next one.
Okay, ma'am. Dash are diseases caused by drinking contaminated water. The answer is dysentery, jaundice, and dolphins are diseases caused by drinking contaminated water.
Okay, children, the answer is dysentery, diarrhea, and jaundice. Pratishtha Singh, type the answer in the chat box.
Ma'am, I have written only one.
Write 3 of them so that in exam, at least you can write 1. You remember 1 or 2. Okay, just don't write 1 disease when there are 3 diseases already mentioned in the chapter. Dysentery,
Ma'am, but there is
diarrhea.
not much space.
Dysentery, diarrhea, and jaundice.
Ma'am, I know the spelling of jaundice, but I don't know the spelling of diarrhea. Ma'am, can you tell?
No, I will not tell. Look into the book where it is. Look for the word in water pollution. This is how you will learn when you find things yourself. Vidyansh Saxena has sent the answer. Pratishtha, have you found?
Ma'am, written all 3.
Pratishtha, not found?
No, ma'am.
Water pollution, page number 128, last line of the page.
Ma'am, there's
Done. Everybody else has found the answer?
yes, ma'am.
Yes. Okay. Now let's move on to the next exercise. Answer in one word. Beta, Pratishtha, leave it, beta. Ridyansh has already typed the answer.
Okay, ma'am.
Now, answer
ma'am.
in one word. The things that pollute the environment are called, anything that pollutes our environment is called what?
Pollutant.
Very good. It is called pollutant.
Pollutant.
Okay, children, the class is supposed to be over. The class was supposed to get over at 11:50. So I'm just ending the meeting because it's a break for your next class. Okay? We'll do this exercise in the next class.
Ma'am, 11:55.
11:50. From 11:15 to 11:50 was the time.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye, ma'am.
What time is the class supposed to
Bye,
get
ma'am.
over
Thank you,
at?
ma'am. This class was
11:55.
The class is supposed
Ma'am,
11:55.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, okay. Still okay. 1 minute is left. I got confused. Then the agents that pollute the environment. What are the agents?
Ma'am, it's
Water, air, and
Ma'am,
factory.
factory.
Ma'am, factory.
Yes, these are the agents from where we get polluted environment.
And ma'am, the last
Ma'am, I
one.
have done this exercise.
Contamination of the environment is called
Environment contamination. Environment contamination.
Environmental contamination. I'm typing in the chat box, children. Just see the answer of the third one.
No, ma'am, I've written that only.
Environmental contamination. Environmental contamination. And the fourth one, Liquid waste from
Liquid
factories.
waste.
Ma'am, wastewater.
Ma'am, water.
Ma'am,
Water
pollution.
pollution. Water.
Wastewater.
Wastewater. Wastewater.